Hi everyone, today our reading lesson is going to be focusing on vocabulary questions. So we are still going with the A Vanishing of Griffins book by S.A. Patrick. Hopefully you enjoyed the synopsis yesterday and are excited to begin reading the book, okay? So, chapter 1, Whatever Happened to Erna Whitlock? Erna woke, as he did every morning, from a nightmare, being pushed off the back of a dracogryph into a cold lake far below. In his nightmare, the face of the person who had pushed him was still smiling a terrible smile, cruel and cold, laughing as Erna tumbled through the air and into the icy water, his pipe slipping from his fingers and lost to the depths. When it had actually happened, though there had been no smile on Patch Bridgewater's face, he had looked utterly terrified. A question had burnt inside Erna ever since that fateful day, and he knew that there was only one way he would ever get an answer. He would have to find Patch Brightwater. And then it just carries on. So we will read that bit. Someone he'd always thought was a friend and ask him why. Why did you push me into the lake? Okay, just so we finish that sentence off. So let's have a look at our question stems. So here I have got a list of question openers that I might find when I am looking at vocabulary questions. So the examples I've got here are, what do the words something and something suggest about the character, the setting, or the mood? Which word tells you that? Which keyword tells you about the character, setting, or mood? Find one word in the text which means. Find and highlight the word that is closest in meaning to. And find a word or phrase which shows / suggests that. So if I ever had a bank of questions and they were all jumbled with the other vipers, if I saw one that began with a question stem similar or the same as this, I would know that it was a vocabulary question. So sometimes I might need to just retrieve a word. Sometimes I might need to say what the word is meaning or what it means in this context or what it tells me about something within the story. Okay, so the next slide I'm going to show you is your text. So you need to have a read of that text. So do that now. Pause the video to read it. And then here are your questions. So you have got 4 questions to work on today. Try and answer them all the best you can. And then remember to upload it to your Dojo portfolio to the correct task on your to-do list. Any questions, please just let Mr. Bates or I know, and somebody will get back to you as soon as they can.